of transaction. Kalau silap record, yang tak bayar cukai pun mesti bayar. Yang bayar tak boleh kutip balik ya. Okay. Second one, procurement. Oh yeah, anybody from procurement here? Procurement. If you don't buy from the right people, if you don't make sure that, in fact, procurement must understand your suppliers' impact, so that Japanese company must always push supplier, isn't it? Cost down. Betul tak? True lah. Betul tak? Nah, culture you must cost down kan? How are you going to, if you don't understand your supplier's GST impact, you cannot cost down the price, isn't it? Number 3 is marketing. Marketing must understand GST for pricing purposes. Because if you don't price properly, susah, isn't it? So these 3 are the big departments that must be involved in GST. Procurement, accounting, in particular AP, account payable, and marketing. The 3 departments that must play a big role. And please remember, it is more for this purpose, system changes. Of course, one of the benefits of GST will be a lot of illegal businesses will now start to register lah. Right? Oh yes. And mind you though, people have asked me, Silan, boleh kah anybody don't go into GST? I mean, can you be without GST under the radar? Boleh tak? Boleh tak boleh? Boleh. Huh?
Less than 500.
Not less than 500. Anybody who's totally cash based. If you're totally cash based, they can't detect right. Now, case study is China and Vietnam. If you've been to China or Vietnam, every organization in China and Vietnam cannot produce your own invoice. You must buy the invoice from the government and then fill in the figures. Why? Because China and Vietnam, especially Vietnam, you've got all under table money, all cash. Correct? So if we do that, but can your company do that? Everything cash. Boleh tak? So the only people I can think about is pasar malam trader who bring in the product from Indonesia especially, or Thailand. You know, any smoker here? Sir? Smoker?
Yeah.
Smoker? Oh, very good. Got bad news for you. 20 ringgit ah. 20 ringgit tau. Current targeted price is 20 ringgit. And the reason they increased it to 13.50 right now is because GST kena dengan itu. So we expect another rise in cigarette prices around February. Then April, another 6% on GST lah. Oh yeah, smoker will be the largest contributor to tax in Malaysia. So we must all say thank you to him lah. Am I right? Right? But the thing is this. So alternative is what? Buy underwater cigarette lah, you know, the pasar malaman, 4 ringgit, 3 ringgit. Don't laugh, that is brought underwater, bought purely on cash, sold purely cash, nobody knows the difference. Unless you're dealing that kind of an item, there's no way you can escape GST. So sir, have you found all the pasar malam shops or not? Najara, 20 ringgit is the target for next year. Right. Now, keyword is what? Consumption. Yeah. What do you mean by consumption? If you consume, you pay. You don't consume, you don't pay. Example, when you come to work every day, makan mana tengah hari? Makan mana? Makan kedai. Tak apa. Lain kali, bila masuk kerja, bawa nasi bungkus dari rumah. Tak apa. You pay less GST. Minum teh tarik dekat, minum kopi dekat mana? Kedai atau office? After GST, senang. Bawa 3 in 1 in your pocket, mana-mana you took 3, you tanya untuk air swam, you 10 ringgit lah. Karena GST. No, seriously, those of you who bring sandwiches and all that, you pay very little taxes. Right? So, why? Simple concept is what? Where there is consumption, there will be tax. No consumption, no tax. Right? So your tax will be lower if the level of, I mean, even in your production, you know, your supply chain, you got so many processes in it. anything which has less process, less tax. You buy raw fish, less tax. You consume raw fish, actually zero tax. Also known as VAT. Now, Malaysia is following which country system?
Singapore.
No. We are following the UK system. We are not following Singapore system fully. And in fact, majority of it is UK system, because Singapore system only one GST rate. Malaysia got 3 years. Exempt, zero, standard. Betul tak? Right, we got it on the next slide, but